Friend, I am here with one more question. To what extent were agricultural practices transformed in the period under consideration? इस समय के दौरान 600 BC से लेकर 600 CE के दौरान एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस में क्या क्या परिवर्तन आए, एग्रीकल्चर में कौन कौन से ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आए. द डिमांड फॉर टैक्सेज इंक्रीज in the post 600 BC in order to meet the demands of the excessive taxes without taking lesser produce forced the farmers to increase productivity. This resulted in the use of new tools and practices of agriculture. The important ones are as follows. So students, we can see the demand for taxes increased. The demand for taxes increased in the post 600 BC. टैक्स की डिमांड बढ़ी और इस डिमांड को पूरा करने के लिए, एक्सेसिव टैक्स की डिमांड को पूरा करने के लिए फार्मर्स इंक्रीज प्रोडक्टिविटी. सो दे innovated new tools and new practices so that production can be increased, and in this way tax will be increased. If production will be increased, tax will be increased. So here we can see the demand for taxes increased in post 600 BC in order to meet the demands of the excessive taxes without taking lesser produce forced the farmers to increase productivity. This resulted in the use of new tools and practices of agriculture. The important practices are use of plough. Plough became commonplace. Ploughs became commonplace. They were hardly heard of the past. The use of the plough began in Ganga and Kaveri basins. So students, in Ganga basin and Kaveri basin there was use of a plough. Ganga and Kaveri basin, we can find the use of plough in fertile basin of the Ganga and Kaveri. So plough became commonplace. They were hardly heard of the past. पहले उन्होंने इस प्रकार के हल के बारे में नहीं सुना था. The use of plough began in Ganga and Kaveri basins in places where rain was abundant. द प्लाउ वाज यूज विथ आयरन टिप. जहाँ ज़्यादा वर्षा होती थी वहाँ आयरन टिप के प्लाउ शेयर का यूज़ करने लग गई. सो आयरन टिप प्लाउ शेयर वर आल्सो यूज इन प्लेसेस वेयर रेन वाज अबंडेंट. द प्लाउ वाज यूज विथ आयरन टिप. दिस इंक्रीज द पैडी प्रोडक्शन मैनी फोल्ड्स. तो पैडी प्रोडक्शन काफ़ी ज़्यादा होने लग गया. कावेरी डेल्टा स्टिल फेमस फॉर पैडी प्रोडक्शन लाइक गंगा बेसिन. सो अर्ली जो हमारे प्रोडक्शन शुरू हुए वो कावेरी बेसिन और गंगा बेसिन में राइस के हुए. तो उसके लिए उन्होंने किसानों ने प्लाऊ का यूज़ किया. जहाँ ज़्यादा वर्षा होती थी, इन प्लेसेस वेयर रेन वाज अबंडेंट, द प्लाऊ वाज यूज्ड विथ आयरन टिप. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट इनोवेशन ऑफ द प्लाऊ. आयरन टिप प्लाऊ वर आल्सो यूज्ड. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस प्लाऊ शेयर पैडी प्रोडक्शन वाज इंक्रीज मैनी फोल्ड्स. सेकेंड है यूज ऑफ स्पेड, फावड़े का यूज. Another tool that changed the system of agriculture is spade. Those farmers who lived in the area of the harsh lands used spades. So farmers of harsh area land use spades. So this is the one more features, use of spade. At this time we can see use of spade. So dear students, we can see use of spade. Another tool that changed the system of agriculture is spade. Those farmers who lived in areas of the harsh land use spade. First was plough, iron tip plough share, use of plough. Second is use of spade. Third is artificial irrigation system was developed. Apart from rainfall, the farmers now began to look at artificial form of इरीगेशन. किसानों ने आर्टिफिशियल इरीगेशन के बारे में सोचना शुरू कर दिया. सो फार्मर्स बिगन टू लुक एट आर्टिफिशियल फॉर्म ऑफ इरीगेशन. दिस prompted farmers to build wells, ponds, canals, often collectively. किसान वेल्स, पॉन्ड्स और कैनाल्स सामूहिक रूप से बनाने लग गए. कोई तालाब और नहरें बनाने लग गए सिंचाई के लिए. दिस prompted farmers to build wells, ponds and canals, often collectively. This increased the agricultural production. So due to the irrigation, artificial irrigation also helpful in increasing the production, and with the increasing the production, revenue was also increased. So revenue demand can be increased in this way by increasing the irrigation. The production increased due to new technology and tools. So with the help of the new technology and new tools, production was increased. This created new strata in society. In Buddhist literature, there is a description of the small and big farmers. नई टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई, वो किसान बिग फार्मर्स हो गए, जिनके पास टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी वो स्मॉल फार्मर्स रह गए. सो समाज के अंदर दो वर्ग बन गए. दे वर कॉल्ड रिच वर कॉल्ड गृहपतिज. सिमिलर description like the Buddhist literature is given in Tamil literature too. Similar description is given in Tamil literature also. We can found a similar description in Tamil literature also, like the Buddhist literature. In Buddhist literature, there is a description of small and big farmers. So, similar description is given in Tamil literature too. The position of the village head was hereditary. The position of village headman was very important. The position of the village head was often hereditary. वो hereditary भी होगी, वंशानुगत हो गई. In such a situation, the ownership of the land became very important. So, ownership of land became very important. So, Grihapati's class emerged at that time. Grihapati was known as the Gram Bhojka in North India. So, this is the transformation of our Indian society. Thank you.